Hey, Mario!
Hello, my Craftables crew. This is David, and I've got a little something different today. I have an unboxing. What did I get? I got an EcoTank ET-4850. It's an Epson printer. A lot of you have been asking, what's the best printer to make Kooky Craftables? And I really haven't had a good answer for people because the printer I have is really old. It's an Epson Workforce 3540. And I do love this printer. This printer is amazing. So why would I buy a new one? It's because of these ink cartridges, these crazily expensive packages of fluid that cost more than human blood. I mean, it's insane. Now, the EcoTank has been out for a while, but I've been cautious to buy one because I feel like in my memory, I've heard that they weren't as good in quality as like the Epson Workforce, but I'm going to put it to the test. I went and I spent my own money on this. This is not a sponsored video. Epson, why are we not working together? We have the same audience. My audience wants to know which printer to buy, and I've tried to reach out to you many times. Okay, so right up here, right on top, this is what we're here for. This is the ink. This is a Epson 502 package of ink, and I am impressed with the size of the bottle here. This is a lot of ink. And all right, we got our power cord. This is the only cord in the box. It's the power cord. So if you like to connect your printer directly to your device through USB or Ethernet, those cords aren't in here, so you'll need to make sure you get those. Or you can print wirelessly through your mobile device or your computer. That's nice. This is the yellow ink. Again, a nice big bottle. All right, and our cyan. To print in color, you need 4 colors. You need yellow, cyan, magenta, and then the black. And that enables you to print a full color photograph or full color artwork. Okay, and now we have a CD-ROM. I'm feeling like this is the early 2000s with a CD-ROM of software. Okay, let's get this thing out of here. I'll just say the size of the printer is nice. I think it's a little bit smaller than my Workforce, and getting a little extra table space will be nice. This looks a lot like my existing printer. It has a similar build quality. I do like the texture on it. And again, this is what we're here for, the EcoTank ports where we can put in those nice big bottles of ink. Okay, now here's the scan bed. Oh, now the 4850 is more intense of a machine. They have cheaper versions of the EcoTank, but I really needed to have the copy scanner and also the fax machine. I needed the fax machine. I still have a few clients in my graphic design business that actually use faxes. Okay, and here's where we load the paper, and we can adjust this. Okay, adjust the size. I'll figure that out in a bit. First impressions, I will say the tray feels a little weak compared to my Workforce printer. It's got this screen that flips up here that's nice, gets it on an angle, much like my other printer. That'll be nice. I like that. Yeah, I'd say the build quality feels really good, although these trays don't seem too substantial. Let's see if I can widen. This is to help so I could, I guess, feed smaller pieces of paper through there we go. We can get our paper in there. It's really important, and this is going to be a big test for this printer, is I like to print all my papercraft on cardstock paper. And so I'm going to be running cardstock through here, and if it doesn't print on the cardstock, this printer is going right back to the store. This shows you how to safely unpack it and install the ink. I plan to do extensive testing with this machine, and hopefully I can finally have recommendations for all the people that are asking, which printer do I buy? So the package claims you can print 7,500 pages of black ink and 6,000 pages of color. And if that's true, I will be a very happy papercraft artist. I've got a lot of new projects about to come out, so stay tuned.